Alright guys, today we're going to be working with a infrared sensor. The way this works is that it sends out infrared signals in a shotgun motion, and whenever something bounces back that is abnormal to its initial sense, then it registers that something is there. Now, this is pretty basic. What I've done is I just hooked it up to an LED light. As you can see, it's going, but whenever the program starts, it'll turn off and turn on whenever something moves. So, basically, this is separated into three different parts: the power, the signal, and the ground. First, second, third, top to bottom. The power goes from here to this red one, which goes to pin 2 on the Raspberry Pi B+. I connected everything to the breadboard as a middle way because I have no female to female connectors. And the signal, the out, which is what it says on here, which is the actual signal, goes. This is it right here. Goes to the green one. Goes to pin, looks like 11 on the Raspberry Pi. This one right here. And the last one, the ground, goes to this rail with all these others up here. This male to male connects to what looks like the shortest pin on the LED, and the other one, this one right here, this white one, goes to pin 6 on the Raspberry Pi, and from pin 3 we connect to a rail that separates and what separates that in the LED, the longest part of the LED is 220 ohms. I don't think that's enough if I'm using it just for this instance, because that's basically all I had. I don't think it's enough because the light's on. Anyways, basically what this will do is whenever something moves, the light will turn on, and there will be a message saying there's something there, something detected. With this code, very simplistic, basically all it does, turn on the light, print a message whenever the input from pin 11 is 1. It's extremely simple. I think this is probably the easiest one I've done. Okay, so let's start it. I can. Okay, so start. It says there's something there. Wait for a minute. Don't move. Nothing there. Something there again because I moved. Wait a minute. Nothing there. Extremely simple. Works pretty well, but I believe, I'm not entirely sure, that the only downside to infrared signal is that you have to have some sort of light. I believe in darkness this will not work, but I'm still not entirely sure as to... Actually, I think that's wrong. I take that back. Alright, that's all, guys. Once again, it's infrared signals.